Understanding: the ship has sailed, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, the ship has sailed. This idiom is a gem in everyday English conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your language skills. So, let's set sail on this linguistic journey and uncover the essence of this popular expression. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning of "the ship has sailed." Imagine you're at a harbor, and you see a ship pulling away from the dock, heading out to sea. Once the ship has started its journey, it's too late for anyone to board it. This visual is the foundation of our idiom, symbolizing a missed opportunity or a point of no return. Moving on to the figurative meaning, when we say, "the ship has sailed," in conversation, we're referring to a situation where an opportunity has passed or a decision point is no longer available. It's a way of acknowledging that it's too late to change something. Whether it's going back to a missed opportunity, altering a decision, or revising an opinion. To fully grasp this idiom, let's look at some examples in context. Missed opportunities: I was thinking about applying for that job, but I waited too long, and now the ship has sailed. Relationships: he wanted to reconcile with his friend, but after years of silence, the ship has sailed. Life choices: she considered going back to school in her 40s, but felt like the ship had sailed on that part of her life. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various aspects of life, emphasizing the importance of timing and the acceptance of what is and isn't possible. When using "the ship has sailed," it's important to recognize its emotional context. This phrase often carries a sense of resignation or acceptance of loss. It's used in situations where there's an understanding that it's time to move on rather than dwelling on what could have been. In conclusion, "the ship has sailed" is a powerful idiom that encapsulates the essence of missed opportunities and the importance of moving forward. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this phrase, enriching your English language journey. Remember, language learning is an adventure filled with discoveries. Keep exploring, and don't let any ship sail without you on board. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.